Today's tip is to stop these toxins before they even make it into your house. Today's tip is super easy. Just take your shoes off when you come inside your house. Just think about where your shoes have been. It's pretty gross, right? Do you want to be carrying that and spreading it throughout your house? Jess and I like to have rugs at each of our doors. We wipe our feet off, and then we just place our shoes in a little bin or shoe container. At a minimum, make sure you at least wipe your shoes off before you come into your house. It's best to take your shoes off and then have a place to stow them away. All right, hopefully this was a good tip for you at home. This is a super easy one for you to incorporate into your daily lifestyle. Reduce those toxins. Hopefully you give us a little thumbs up, like us below, subscribe to our channel, and check out some more of our videos.